How to install vinyl flooring. To begin, sweep or vacuum to remove any dirt and debris. Carefully opening the packaging and removing the vinyl tiles. Ensure that all tiles are present and in good condition before beginning the installation. Before installation, make sure the subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Plan the layout of the tiles, starting from the center of the room or the longest wall. Measure and mark guidelines to ensure a straight and even installation. Cut the tiles to the appropriate length and size as needed. Peel the protective film from the back of the tile. Align it with the guideline, and press it down evenly. Continue placing tiles, aligning edges precisely. Maintain consistent spacing and check alignment regularly. Once all tiles are installed, press down firmly along all edges to secure adhesion. The floor is now ready for use.